raise your own exception inside Python. So in previous video, we have seen how we can create try and except blocks to create your exceptions inside your program. So if you are not aware about try and except blocks inside the Python, please go and check my YouTube video, which will explain how this try and except will be used inside Python. If you are already aware of this, let's go and see how you can raise your own exceptions. To raise your own exceptions, you need to use this raise statement. This will manually trigger an exception in your code. All you need to do is use raise keyword and then provide this exception type. This exception type could be an inbuilt exceptions, or you can create your own exception and add that here. Here you are going to provide some custom error message. Sometimes whatever the exception it is giving the error, that might be not useful, or it won't give the clear instructions. So in that type, you can raise your own exceptions and give the custom error message, which will be easily understood by the user. Why do we use this kind of exceptions? This is to enforce business rules, where you can put your own business rules. You can have some conditions based on your business rules where you can raise those exceptions. You can use it to stop execution on invalid data. Then you can bubble up errors to be handled elsewhere. These are the few useful things where you can call this raise. Okay, I love ice cream. Now imagine if it's free. Okay, it's more than anything, right? Now, but wait, what if there is a catch? Let's say only people below 18 will have this ice cream free, and the above 18 will have to pay for it. That's sad, right? But now this is my business use case, and how we can implement this business use case inside Python. So to implement this business use case inside Python, we have to go with the raise statement, right? How we can implement this? We can implement this using the raise statement. We'll be having this age checker for ice cream offer code, where we are going to take age from the user, and if the age is less than 18, it will come and give the message that congrats, you get free ice cream. If your age is not less than 18, if you're greater than 18, then the message will come that no, access denied, sorry, you're not eligible for free ice cream. Thanks. In both of these cases, we are going to send the message that thanks for visiting ice cream world. Now let's go to the demo part and implement the same use case. We will be taking age is equal to, since it will be an integer, we will take equal enter your age. We'll give age of the user. Now we will be going to have this try block, where we'll be having this try if age is greater than if age is less than 18. Sorry, the exception will be raised if age is greater than 18. So if this age is greater than 18, we are going to raise exception where we will say that you are not eligible. So it will come as not eligible error. We'll give this not eligible error, and inside that we are going to pass a message that will give message that sorry, you are not eligible for free ice cream, right? You are not eligible for free ice cream. This is the message we will be going to give to the user. In case if this condition is false, we are just going to print a message that congrats, you get free ice cream. Yes, you get free ice cream. Will become if particular condition gets false, that means your age is less than 18. That is the time when this print message is coming. Now next we need to see is that you have created this race, but if you see here, you can see the error message. It's because we need to create a class with this not eligible error. Here I'm creating this class which is called not eligible error. This class is going to have a super class which is an exception. Okay, are already aware of the inheritance concept. This is going to inherit exception properties inside this. Whenever you are creating race with your custom exceptions, you need to create that exception class and you have to inherit exception inside those classes. This will how it will work. Now we need to place that in case if this error comes, what we need to do, we have to use the except keyword. Make sure that you will catch this exception as E. And now inside we are going to print access denied, and here I'm gonna, now we have this try, now we have this raise, and we have this except. Also we need to add this finally statement. So here I'm gonna add this finally statement. Will tell that thank you for visiting ice cream world. Thanks for visiting ice cream world. Now let's run this code and see how it works. Now it is going to ask, it's asking for my age. So I put 19. Oh, access denied. Sorry, you are not eligible for free ice cream. But this finally statement comes for all. Thanks for visiting ice cream world. Let me rerun it and I'll give my age below 18, like 17. Congrats, you got free ice cream. Thanks for visiting Ice Cream World. I hope now you are clear about how we can raise our own exceptions. Now, since you are aware about raising your exceptions, try it by yourself. And if you want more quick Python tips, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.